will teach you the female face in today's session. Okay, so for that we only need the paper, pencil, eraser. Those are the basic things we need for today's session. So I'm going to create one circle here in the middle part. So make one circle. This is a freehand sketching part. So just randomly create a circle. And when you find the perfect circle, you can erase the extra marks from your circle. In this way, it will be easy for you. It boosts your sketching part also, and it will improve your sketching part. And you can do any type of other artwork when you know how to create the basic shapes. Also, it will be helpful to make your painting more beautiful, because the sketching part plays very important role in each and every art form. So here I am going to teach you sketching part in step-by-step process with the simple way, so that if you are beginner, if you are kids also, you can easily create this along with me. So now I'm going to divide this circle into 3 parts equally by adding 2 lines. These 2 lines I call as eye line and the nose line. Why we call that, I just show you after you create the face part. It will be easy for you to understand. So just create 2 lines and just divide this circle into 3 parts. Okay. So just create like this much. After we're done this much, after that we are going to start creating the forehead part. So it's up to you. You can draw the face part in the left hand side or right hand side. I'm going to choose it in the left hand side here. So make one curved line starting from this point to this point. Or also you can start making the same curved line, the same line, you can repeat it here also. So if you want to make it same line, it will be easy for you. So just repeat the process still here. Okay, from this point we will create a slanting line like this. Okay, it's up to you if you want the forehead little more bigger or smaller. I just repeat the same curved line and create the nose part like this. After we've done this, we are going to make a curved line, which is very like simple curved line we will create for the nose part. So for that, just create a line, make a little curve, and to make the nose part. Okay, we are not doing any type of extra things like the curvy things. If you can find Patachitra nose a little bit more curvy, we will create, which is like this. Okay. After this, we are going to create the upper lip. So the upper lip is very simple. Upper lip we will create like this. Just make a curved line like this for the upper lip. And for the lower lip, we will start from this point. And make it inside this circle. And from this point, we are going to create a chin part. And make a little bit curve, you can create like this. We don't want very curvedness in this face part. In comparison to this art form and Patachitra painting, the Patachitra artwork is like very curvy we create, but here we make it little simple. So you have to remember those small things while doing the sketching part. After you've done this much, I'm going to erase the extra marks from your artwork like this. Also, these 2 lines also I'm going to erase. This is the eye line, as I told you earlier. This is the nose line because I started from this point. So make a curved line and make little thick eye we will create. Another curved line we are going to join it here like this. Also make a circle for the eyeball. In Patachitra painting, the eyes are very long, but here the eye you have to create it little thick. Okay. After this is done, we are going to create a curved line. And another curved line we are going to create. and make the eyebrow part. After this is done, we are going to create two circles now. So here I'm going to create two circles with a curve point here. This is the ear part. After you've done this much, we are going to create a curved line starting from this point to this point. This is the hair part. Normally we did the hair part later on, but as this is a sketching part, we will cover. So you can create the hair part like this and make it a little thick to thin you can create. As I discussed earlier, this Cheriyal painting is a scroll painting. So normally scroll paintings are very big in size, but nowadays for the selling purpose, artists are creating small piece of art they are creating and they sell their artwork. Everyone done this much? Then we will go for the next step and create the hair part. So for the hair part, we are going to start making a curved line from this point. Make a curved line, join it here, and create one more line for the bun part, which is like this. You can also erase the extra marks from your artwork. Also in this art form, we have lots of jewelry part, which you can create directly with the color. And colorings are very simple. We are not adding any setting technique in this art form. You can add bindi here, and if you want, you can create the nose pin here, like this, nose ring. And this circle, you can make it more beautiful way. You can just add this type of lines to complete the detailed work. Just create two circles in the middle part and add some lines in all around this circle to complete the jewelry part. The jewelries are very simple in this art form. Other detailed work actually we done directly with the color. From this point, I will start creating the neck part. Make a curved line and start extending this line so that we can create some jewelry part here by adding two curved lines like this. The first curved line is going to be little thick. The second curved line we want little thin. After that, just add some lines and small lines. With some circle in the center point to complete the jewelry part. The same pattern we can do it here also by adding two circles with small detailed work to complete this work. In this way, the sketching part is completed.